In this video, I'll show you how to see your iCloud password directly on your iPhone. First, open the Safari browser and go to the Google website. Sign in with your Google account. Then tap your profile icon in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. From the top menu, swipe across to the Security tab. Scroll down until you see the Password Manager option, then tap Manage Passwords. Use the search bar to look for the word Apple. If you see Apple listed, tap on it to view your password. That's the first method. For the second method, go back to your home screen and use the search bar to type passwords. Open the Passwords app and use the search box at the bottom to look for Apple. Tap on any Apple account that appears. Then tap on the password field to reveal it. If you're unable to find your password using either method, you can simply reset it without needing your old one. To do this, open Settings from your home screen and tap on your profile name at the top. Select Sign In and Security, then scroll down and choose Change Password. Enter your iPhone's passcode, and as long as you're signed in to your Apple account, you can create a new password. That's it, everyone. I hope this video helped. Let me know in the comments if you found it useful.